Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is the harmful effects of smoking. Smoking tobacco. Some of the worst and avoidable disease of the respiratory system results from smoking tobacco. More than 300 chemicals are found in the cigarette smoke. You must be familiar of this sign, which is usually found in public places. Nicotine. The tobacco smoke contains a drug called nicotine, which is very addictive. This speeds up the heartbeat and narrows the arteries, so causing high blood pressure. It is healthy lung, it is smoker's lung. This image shows a difference between a smoker and non-smoker's lung. Tar. Also in tobacco smoke is tar. This coats the lining of the lungs and makes them less able to take in oxygen. The tar contains chemicals that can cause lung cancer. This picture shows us that how a smoker's lungs are damaged due to continuous smoking. Carbon dioxide. Tobacco smoke also include a poisonous gas, carbon dioxide. This joins up with the red blood cells, stopping them from carrying oxygen around your body. This picture tells us that if a person does not stop smoking cigarette on time, so his lungs will be just like the left lung. And if you want a healthy lung just like the right one, so the smoker need to stop smoking. Emphysema. The first effects of tobacco smoke are that the bronchioles get narrowed and the cilia lining the air passage stop beating. The smoke also makes the lining of the air passages produce more mucus. This collects in the bronchioles, causing a smoker's cough. With prolonged smoking, some of the substances in tobacco weaken the walls of alveoli. Some of the damaged alveoli is burst when the smoker coughs. In time, the absorbing surface of the lungs is greatly reduced. Then the smoker cannot oxygenate his blood properly. The damaged alveoli and the effects of the carbon monoxide can make the smoker breathless and exhausted at the slightest exertion. This disease is known as emphysema. Alveoli with emphysema. It is a microscopic view of normal alveoli, and it is the microscopic view of alveoli with emphysema. It is normal alveoli and it is damaged alveoli. These images shows the alveoli with emphysema and without emphysema. Which one better? If a person wants his alveoli to look like the normal one, he must stop smoking. Bronchitis. Another effect of cigarette smoke is that when the cilia in the air passages stop beating and the excess mucus collects in the bronchi, the breathing tubes inflamed. This inflammation is known as bronchitis. It is normal bronchi and it is bronchitis. This image describes how a normal bronchi looks like and how a damaged bronchi looks. Death chances. Smokers are about 14 times more likely to die from lung cancer than non-smokers. Over 95% of the people suffering from bronchitis are smokers, and they have a 20 times greater chance of dying from bronchitis than non-smokers. On average, smokers die 10 years earlier than non-smokers. Passive smoking. Passive smoking is when someone breathes in second-hand tobacco smoke. It has been shown that repeated breathing in of smoke from a nearby smoker, known as passive smoking, can also damage your health. It is passive smoking because the both person breathes near a person which is smoking. These are some of the posters. Quit smoking and let's together make our earth a clean place to live. Let's make our environment fresh and clean. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.